What is going on, ladies and gents? It's your boy Neosynthesis, actually playing Master Duel. Shocking, shocking. Just a little late night. Just a little late night Master Duel, just before I go to bed, I guess. I might play, other video games as well, but, you know, whatever. So, we are back on the Going Second Zoo. I enjoy this deck because it's like very brain off, blow the field up with Zeus kind of deck. And they don't really combo, and it's like very, very linear, and you know, I kind of just want to turn my brain off and play a little Yu-Gi-Oh! Which I know those things normally don't go together, but Master Duel is pretty low competition scale, so I can pretty much turn my brain off in autopilot. Anyway, we're just gonna imperm the Candina. He's playing Trick Stars, but I just wanted to do this replay because I feel like this feels so bad for this guy. Okay, so he sets a Heavy Storm Duster. Cool, whatever. He destroys my set. Candina, I'm just gonna get burnt for a lot here. He desires into Skullmeister Lightning Storm. Okay. The sacking is not done. Lightning Storm, his whole board. He's got a Solemn Judgment in his graveyard. Normal summon the Whiptail, called by the grave on his Max C. And that's a scoop phase. And I don't blame him. At all. Anyway, just, I wanted to get on because I thought the NR Festival had started. Hasn't. So yeah, are we gonna, by the way, is Konami gonna reward us with some spicy value normal cards? Is that what's gonna happen? That would be pretty sick. Like, we open up, you know, we get the Legacy Pack XYZ packs, we're gonna get some normal cards. Some normal, just to open up packs and packs of rare. Oh no, oh no, oh no. What is Konami gonna give us? What pathetic thing? what bad reward are we gonna get? What is the reward gonna be? Anyway, guys, it's been your boy Neosynthesis. Just wanted to bring you guys this little funny replay. Thought you guys might enjoy it. Peace.